Hi all and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about two-tier justice system. We know we've got two-tier policing, but now with Starmer in charge, we've now got two-tier justice system. He was the head of CPS, Starmer. So basically everyone in the justice system are his cronies. So let's have a look at a few of the sentences. Was sentenced on Wednesday in Liverpool. James Nelson, criminal damage, 2 months in prison, that is. Declan Gearan, arson and violent disorder, 30 months. Liam Riley, violent disorder, 20 months. Derek Drummond, 3 years for violent disorder and police assault. Now, I don't know how much you know of, like, magistrates' courts and stuff, but all of these offences are normally tried in local magistrates' court. And for all of these offences, except maybe the arson one, even including the police assault, at best you get £150 fine, £50 costs. So obviously, yeah, is trying to make an example of people. Yeah, I agree, like, there's nothing wrong with that. But let's make example of people across the board. Where's these sentences for the Riots rioters in Leeds? Nothing. Where's these sentences for the Manchester Airport pair? They've not even been charged. And as far as I can see, they're claiming compensation for assault from the police. This is your two-tier system, and it's stacked against the white British people, and that's what people are fed up about. You can't keep putting the British people down and basically giving other demographics a free pass. It's not justice. It's insane. Well, when did we, as a British nation, build a justice system that's totally against the British man in the street or woman in the street? It's absolutely scandalous. You'd for most of these offences, except the arson, you'd feel you was hard done by if you got a £250 fine and £50 costs. You wouldn't even get community service for any of these offences. Like, police have bemoaned for years police assault. There's no deterrent against police assault, normally. You just get a smacked hand. Like, you see these sentences and you see someone from the Muslim demographic raping a 12-year-old white girl, rape of a 12-year-old girl, 2 years community service. How come you get community service for raping a 12-year-old girl, but for a violent disorder and for smacking a copper, you get 3 years? Where's the justice there? There isn't any. And it's got to stop. What do you think? Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe. My name's Tony, and thank you for watching.